welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second ever video and I'm so excited to be doing a teeth whitening tutorial. Happy October! So today I'm going to be honestly reviewing Billion Dollar Smile. Now before I start, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored in any way. I am genuinely just giving my honest opinion about a product that I absolutely adore. So I'm going to be showing you 3 products from best to better. I want to say that I have never had my teeth professionally whitened. I'm like Ross off Friends at the minute. I think I always compare myself to Ross off Friends, but he's just so relatable. When he goes and gets his teeth whitened and they glow in the dark, I feel like that's me, but with these super bright lights, they're like ding! So I am going to be showing you 3 products today: the LED whitening kit, the whitening strips, and the charcoal toothpaste. So the first thing I'm going to be showing is some I made earlier. I'm gonna get them. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is the teeth whitening LED kit. Because I think they're all amazing, this to me is in 3rd place, let's say, only because of the price. I'm gonna insert how much it is here. However, I do know at the moment, I hope this is still on when I post it, Superdrug, there is an offer on, so I think you can get a bit of money off if you buy them now. Yeah, so I hope that offer's on. I really do hope that that offer is still on when I post this video, because it is such a great deal, and if you do want to try it, why not get it when it's on offer? Basically what the LED whitening kit is these little syringes. Don't worry, they are nothing sinister, they are literally just the teeth whitening product in there. And then this weird little contraption. Basically you put the syringe of the gel half on the top, half on the bottom, pop it in your mouth and then turn the light on and it should turn blue. I'm going to show you and demonstrate now. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that. Once it is ready, obviously I turned it off, but when it is ready and you can take it out, it will bleep. So you know how long you need to have it in. You can obviously have it in for longer if your teeth aren't too sensitive. However, the time that it says is plenty time for it to work. I have to say that the results weren't as instant as the other products that I'm going to show you. However, I would buy it again and definitely still recommend it. So I'm going to move on to place number 2. So that is the toothpaste. Now the toothpaste is the cheapest of all the Billion Dollar Smile range that I am aware of. It is a charcoal tooth polish. I will leave links to the exact products that I'm showing you. Hopefully that'll show you the price and where you can buy it. I bought mine from Superdrug. I think you can buy it from Target in America if you're an American watching this video. But yeah, in the UK I got this from Superdrug. When I first tried this, I was so impressed. It's suitable for daily use, so you can use this one every single day. What I do is, when I tried this on its own, I did notice a noticeable difference in a few days. My teeth looked a lot brighter and a lot less yellow. So what I do, I still use this every day, I still use it every morning, but what I do, I mix this, so I put a little like pea size of this one on and a little pea size of my normal toothpaste. Use Oral-B whitening one, I can't remember, whichever one's on offer normally. The only reason that this is in 2nd place is because results did take a few days. So I'm going to move on to the 3rd and final product, and that is my favourite go-to beauty item. Now, I smile quite a lot. I think my natural face is quite smiley. I don't have like a RBF. I don't have one of those. I'm not like, if you see me, if I am, then oh gosh, please tell me, because I don't want to look like that. Because I want to be like this all the time. It actually hurts my face sometimes. Like I'll literally sit there and I'll get jaw aches. I'm like, oh my gosh, why can't my natural face be a bit less exhausting? Do like smiling, so to have nice big bright pearly whites is obviously a massive bonus. I'm going to show you the box just because I'm teasing you a little bit. So here is what the box looks like. It's just got a little tear in it because I'm too lazy to open it with scissors, so I just non-peroxide. I think when I was about 17, I'm 22 now, when I was about 17, I ordered some of the Crest whitening strips from America, and you can't get these in the UK. I think it's because there is peroxide in them, I'm not quite sure. However, I did buy them online, they were quite easy to get hold of, so I hope I didn't do anything wrong by getting them. And they were quite expensive, they were about £60 I think, for the same amount that you get, the same amount that you get in here. And I have to say, after about 3 uses, my teeth hurt. They literally hurt so bad. So when these Crest whitening strips started to really hurt, I was like, I was a bit skeptical when I was going to try these, but when I saw that they were non-peroxide, this made me so happy. In the little opening of the whitening strips, there is a little tooth guide. They work in one go. One strip, one does the job. I feel like that happened. It's like, one, she does the job. Plenty. One works. One. I was shook. Yeah, they come in these little sachets. Aren't they lovely? This is what they look like. This is the top one, and this is for your bottom teeth. It says to leave these on. Let me have a look. I'm sure it's 15 minutes. Let's see if I remember correctly. Yes. Leave the strips for 15 to 30 minutes, then gently peel off. It says on here, clean with water. However, I use the $1 Billion Smile toothpaste before I use the strips. That's a lot of $1 Billion Smile in one go. I peel it off, put the long strip on top and then a small strip on bottom, and the northerness came out there, and the smaller one on the bottom. Leave them, it says 15 to 30 minutes, however I am guilty of leaving them on the whole time that I get ready, and that is a long time. And I tell you what, as much as it may be bad for you, my teeth have never felt sensitive once. Thanks. I forgot what I was saying now. I got so distracted by my roll brew. I would never tell you to go and buy something if I didn't genuinely swear by it. If I didn't genuinely like it and think that it worked, I wouldn't tell you to go and buy it. You'll find any reason to smile. I want them to be like this. I'm like Chandler off Friends. I relate to Friends so much. You can have a lovely smile as soon as somebody puts a camera on you, like, literally find any reason to smile, I promise you. Do you know that when you get new hair and you're like, notice anything different? Or like new nails and you're like, hi, look at me, hi. You'll be like that but with your teeth, you'll be like, how do you notice anything different? If this video was useful, please let me know if you try out any of the products. Please comment, let me know how you get on. Hope they give you a reason to smile more. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. Goodbye!